Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to automatically track Shopify refunds in Mixpanel using MESA. If you're running a Shopify store, refunds are inevitable. But here's the thing, most merchants are flying blind when it comes to refund analytics. They don't know which products get returned most, what reasons customers give, or how refund trends change over time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated system that captures every refund detail and sends it to Mixpanel. Here's what this automation does. Every time a customer gets a refund in your Shopify store, it automatically captures all the important details like the refund amount, the products, customer info, and even the reason for the refund. Then it packages it up and sends the event to Mixpanel. Over time, you can track refund trends, segment refunds by categories, identify your most returned items, and even analyze refund reasons to help improve your listing descriptions or product quality. Let's dive into the setup. I'm assuming you already have MESA and connected your Shopify and Mixpanel credentials. If not, check the links in the description for setup guides. First, we'll add the Track Shopify Refunds in Mixpanel template. From your MESA dashboard, go to the template library and search for Track Mixpanel. When you see the template, click the Add Template button. This workflow is just 4 steps. First, the refund created trigger. This listens for new refunds in Shopify. Next, the retrieve order step. This fetches the full order details. Then, a custom code step. This processes the refund details. Lastly, create an event. This sends the refund date to Mixpanel. Let me walk you through what happens behind the scenes. When a refund is created in Shopify, the trigger fires immediately. But here's the thing, the refund payload doesn't contain all the product details we need, so we make a second call to retrieve the full order information. Then we have some custom JavaScript that does the heavy lifting. Don't worry, this code is included with the template. It calculates the total refund amount by summing up all the refund transactions, formats the product titles into a readable list, counts the total quantity of items refunded, and maps the refunded items back to their SKUs. Finally, all this processed data gets sent to Mixpanel as a structured event with properties like order ID, refund amount, product titles, SKUs, customer information, and refund reason. Before we go live, let's run it once to confirm. You can use sample data, or if you're comfortable, create a small test refund in your Shopify store. When the refund is submitted in Shopify, our workflow should start. Let's jump back over to MESA. Each workflow has an activity log to see each task run in real time. Looks like it triggered. For Mixpanel, navigate to Events. Here we can see our Shopify Refunds events. Click on it to expand all the data properties that were sent over from our workflow. Now you can create funnels to see refund rates by product, cohort analysis to understand which customer segments refund more, and time series analysis to spot seasonal refund trends. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of this setup. First, make sure your team is consistent with refund reasons in Shopify. This makes your Mixpanel analysis much more meaningful. Second, consider setting up alerts in Mixpanel for unusual refund spikes. This can help you catch quality issues early. Third, combine this refund data with your other Mixpanel events like purchases and product views to get a complete customer journey picture. And finally, use Mixpanel's segmentation features to compare refund rates across different customer cohorts, traffic sources, or product categories. And there you have it. Now you have a fully automated system tracking all your Shopify refunds in Mixpanel. Now, just let this run for a few weeks to collect data, then start building out your Mixpanel dashboards. Look for patterns in your refund data and use those insights to reduce future returns. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce automation content. Drop a comment below if you have questions or if you'd like to see tutorials on other MESA templates.